Um, yes, about the primary data and secondary data. First, we know that data is a set of information about a particular thing. Okay, data is set of information about a particular thing. Okay, a set of information that you have is data. Okay, that data you can collect from two places. Either you can ask the person directly, or you can ask somebody else about it. Okay, somebody else about it. When you ask the person directly is known as primary source. That person is primary source. When you ask from any other place, that person is known as secondary source. Okay. Now the data collected from primary source known as primary data. Data collected from secondary source is known as secondary data. Okay. Now here it is written. From the records, school register, office records, when you collect it, it is secondary data. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. I'm going to ask this to you. Okay. Joshua, data collected directly from the source is called dash data.
Primary data.
Yes. Emma, the source of primary data is called dash source.
Can you repeat which one question you're asking?
Second, fill in the blank. The source of
Ma'am,
primary data is
the
called dash.
source. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Emma.
The source of primary data is
Oh, Abraham. The source of primary data is called dash source.
Primary source.
Primary source. Yes. Joshua, when you use the data collected by others or from available sources, these data are called others.
Collection of data.
No. When you use the data collected from others, or whatever, when I'm asking Abraham's school, what are his marks, then it will be called, that data is called?
Secondary data.
Yes, secondary data. Okay, then we have Emma. Emma, can you hear me?
yes, ma'am. I can hear it.
Okay. Emma, the source of secondary data is called
Can we
dash source. Secondary source. Secondary source. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, last one. Abraham, directly collected data from primary or secondary source are called dash data. Directly collected data.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yes, Abraham. The question is directly collected data from primary or secondary source are called dash.
Ma'am, directly directed data from primary and secondary source are called primary data.
Okay. Collection of data. Okay. When you collect it either from primary or secondary source is known as collection of data. Okay. Collection of data. Okay. Now we will talk about presentation of data. Okay, presentation of data. After collecting the data, the next step is to present the data in order. Okay, to present the data in order. Okay, now it can be presented in a table form. Okay, it can be presented in a through a graph. Okay, through diagram, through chart. Okay. Okay, so that is how data is presented. Okay, now what we can do, suppose for example I tell you to tell me that this week how many ice creams you ate. Okay, this week's how many ice creams you ate. So what you will do, you will make a table. Okay, you will make columns. Okay, make columns, write the week days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, like that, and write the number of ice creams you ate. 0 ice creams on Monday, 2 on Tuesday, 1 on Wednesday. Okay, like this you add. Here you will write number of days. Okay, here you write number of ice creams. Okay, number of days, weekdays, number of ice creams. Like that you will make. Okay, Thursday, 1 ice cream. Okay, Friday, 2 ice cream. Saturday, no ice cream. Okay, like that you wait. Okay, so this is what? This is presentation of data. Okay, this is presentation of data. Okay, I'm presenting how many ice creams I ate in the table form. Okay, how many ice creams I ate in the table form. That's what I am presenting. Okay, another example is that my favorite subjects. Okay, favorite subjects. Okay, I am making a graph. Okay, this one is science. Okay, this one is English. This one is maths. What I can see, the major portion is covered by science. Means I love science that much. Okay, English also a good portion is covered. I love English that much. Maths only a small portion is covered. Means I don't like maths that much. Okay, this is also data. Presentation of data. Just give me 1 minute. Okay. So this is a pie chart. Okay. Circular one that I made is a pie chart. And it also shows that basically presentation of data. So that is why we say that data can be presented in a table form, okay, or a figure, a graph, and a chart. Okay, primary aim is to arrange the data in such a way so that the required information can be drawn from the presentation. Okay, so that whatever information you need, you can take it out from that graph. Okay, that is the goal. Number 1, we collect the data. Number 2, we present the data. Number 3, we make comparison of the data. Okay, so we are on the second step, that is the presentation of data. If you want to know the maximum or minimum,
Ma'am.
then you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Yes, Abraham.
Ma'am, I have another class, ma'am. May I leave?
Can you leave in 5 minutes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Now, so the data, when we say presentation of data, we can present it in 2 ways. Either in ascending order, means from smaller to big, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Descending order, from big to small, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, descending order. we can present it in ascending order or descending order. Okay, if you see in this one, descending order, the first example, 72, 65, 57, 49, 45, 38, 30, 25, and 20. This is the biggest. This is the smallest. From big to small, we are going descending order. Ascending order, 20, 25, 30, 38, 45, 49, 57, 65, and 72. Small to big, we are going. This is ascending order. Okay. So we can say that the maximum is 72. In this data, the maximum, the highest is 72. The minimum is 20. And there are others in between. Now you are in position to answer some of the questions that are asked. For example, what is the maximum value? 70. What's the minimum? 20. Okay, like that. Okay. Usually we use frequency. Okay, we use frequency to present the data. Okay, we use frequency to present the data that I will explain to you in more detail tomorrow. Okay, this is a bar graph. Okay, when we say presentation of data, this is a graph. Okay, it says how many students were present, or like the attendance of students, like the attendance of students in the week. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. How many were absent? How many were present? Okay, so 18, see this one, 18 were present on Monday. Okay, then 20, this one reaches 20. 20 were present on Tuesday. 18 were present on Monday. 20 were present on Tuesday. Okay, then here is 25. Sorry, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 22 or no, 19, 20, 19 maybe. This is 19 on Wednesday. Okay, Thursday around 17 students were present. Then Friday again 18 students, and Saturday around 21 students were present. Okay, so this we will make on a graph paper. Okay, so you will be understand exactly how many by counting the boxes. Okay, exactly how many by counting the boxes. I will teach you bar graph. We will see pie chart. Okay, we'll do different types of graphs. Tomorrow I will teach you frequency. By this week's end, okay, by this week's end, I will collect the data on how many of you will were present this week. Okay, and you also will do that. Okay, you also will do that, how many of you were present this week, and then by the end of the week we will together make a chart. Okay, a graph on your attendance of this whole week. Okay, that is the activity we will do on Friday. Okay, so that's all for today. Okay, Friday we will make your attendance chart. Okay, and see, and tomorrow I will teach you frequency. Today we saw what is collection of data and what is presentation of data. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
Abraham, I'll see you. Also, I haven't received any of the test papers till now. Abraham, Joshua, Emma. Any plan to submit the test paper? Science, maths, half-yearly exam.
Ma'am, wasn't science submitted from the others, ma'am?
For you, Joshua, it's maths test only.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, science is for the others right now. For Abraham, Emma, science and maths both. Okay, I am giving you time till today's 5 na, till 8. Okay, till 8 January. I'm exceeding it and I'm giving you more time till 8 January. 8 January is the last date. Okay, do revision if you want to, today, tomorrow, day after. You can do the paper on 7 or 8 January. You can do the papers and submit me by 8 January. Okay, Abraham.
Two of them, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Two of them, Emma. 8th January is the exceeded date for you. Okay, after 8th January, I will mark you absent. Okay, so till 8th January, do it and try to submit me. Okay, then that's all for you today, and I'll see you now tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye.